Let's find out how it works. Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to show you a unique way to lift heavy weights using the atmospheric pressure. To begin, we will place some tissues on a tray and some water to make them wet. And next we'll place a candle on the tissues and light it. Now we'll place the glass upside down on the tray and apply force to seal the air inside the glass. The heat from the candles will reduce the pressure inside the glass, thus creating a vacuum. Due to lower pressure inside the glass, the atmospheric pressure will become greater than the internal pressure, and it will help us in lifting the tray using glass. Now let's try to lift the tray. See, we can easily lift the tray. The vacuum created by the heat from the candles allowed us to lift the tray using just a glass. Let's try lifting the tray with some weight. See if it can hold it. It can easily hold the weight. Let's add more weight. Despite increasing the weight, the tray is still able to lift it. Let's try again and find how much weight the glass can hold. Now let's try with 4 cubes each weighing half kg. And surprisingly, it's still able to lift it. Now let's see if the glass can hold the weight of 6 cubes. Unfortunately, this time the glass can't lift it. So today we have learned the phenomena how reducing pressure inside the glass can help us lifting heavy weight. While this trick may not be the practical for everyday use, but still it's a great demonstration of the principle of air pressure, and can be a fun activity to try out with friends and family. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this experiment as fascinating as we did. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more exciting science experiment. Until next time, bye.